Good morning, students. Mrs. Stein here. Happy Tuesday, March 2nd. Today is a great day. Do you know why? It is National Read Across America Day. Everyone in the United States is celebrating today and promoting reading. Reading is a life skill that all of us can enjoy, whether we're trying to find information or whether we're reading a good book to learn about characters and plot. This day is organized by the National Education Association, and it began in 1997 with the objective of motivating students to read. Each year, they spend time sharing good books in which children can see themselves in, and that they can enjoy and read in the memory of children's author Dr. Seuss. So today, boys and girls, whether it's in your classes or maybe after school is over, I encourage you to find a good book that you enjoy, or maybe that you find reflective of your life and you see parts of yourselves and characters, or new information that you want to learn. And celebrate Read Across America Day. Happy Tuesday!